Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Opera on Linux. So in order to install Opera on Linux, we have to go into another browser and go on the official Opera site in order to download the deb file that we will need to install our Opera. So I will type in Opera for Linux and press enter. And right there we have the official Opera site. We have to click on it. And here we can accept that, it doesn't really matter. And here we have two buttons. Two buttons basically works the same. We have to type, we have to press on one. You can choose whatever you want in order to download our deb file, and right there we have three steps. First one is open the Opera setup file, second one is follow the instructions, and third one is enjoy Opera browser. We have to wait a bit for our download to be finished. I tested it before and this file has 130 megabytes, I think, almost, so 120 and 127. It worked, and right now we can close that. And right there we have to open our terminal because we need to install this deb file. So first of all we need to go into the download section, because in the download section we will have our file that we downloaded before. So I'm in download section, and right there we have a opera-stable, the version.deb. We have to install it. How can we do it? We can do it by typing in. Maybe at the beginning I will show you how to check if your Opera is installed. So you can type in opera -- version, and here you should have a version. We will have it after the installation. Right now we have to type in sudo apt install and the name of our file, so opera-stable. But before the name of our file, we have to type in dot and slash. We are doing it exactly like we are, for example, executing a script. So opera-stable, and right now I can press enter. If you are using different distribution, different Linux distribution than Ubuntu, you probably would have changed this command right there, but the core and the file basically works the same. So I can press enter. I can type in my password, and right there. Do you want to continue? I will press Y. That stands for yes, because we are agreeing for everything. Do you want to update Opera together with the rest of the system? You can press enter. And right now we have to wait for our Opera to be installed. So we are on 50%, almost on 100%, so everything is working. And right now we have two options to open our Opera. The first one is just typing in Opera in our terminal and press enter. So by doing this we will launch our Opera. As you can see, we have the icon right there. We have to wait a bit, and it is working. So as you can see, we have got started because it's our first launch. We can close that for now. And the second option is using the icon. So I can close the terminal, and in our applications right there, show apps, we should have an Opera icon. So I will press on it and it should also work. As you can see, this icon is also working. I can maybe type in something in this browser, so for example maybe Google, but with double O, so Google. I will press enter, and as you can see, my Opera browser is working. We can use that, and that will be all in this video. If you know how to install an Opera, and if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.